Today let's talk about how to use Binance Margin Trading Beginner's Guide. Now if this is your first time trying to use margin trading within Binance, this feature allows you to borrow funds from the exchange to leverage your cryptocurrency positions, which can multiply both your profit as well as your losses. So make sure that you know what you're doing in this situation. So first of all, in order to start off margin trading within Binance, what you need to do is simply head over to the trade option and then head over to spot, where you'll be able to see the option called margin being displayed. You can simply toggle this option on. If this is your first time doing it, you need to complete a mandatory beginner's quiz and agree to the risk that is involved. Once that step is complete, you need to transfer your collateral, which is simply to move your cryptos like USDT or BTC from your spot wallet to the margin wallet that you just created, and then you'll be able to trade using margin trading within Binance. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.